Hey fam, one thing I'm gonna say is that life is so unfair. DJ Sindler's husband allegedly is unfaithful. He's cheating on her, but somehow Sindler is the one insulted. How does this work? There's someone there by X that is saying, actually, let's start with Mosakaula first, okay? After spilling on Moda's infidelity, he went on to say DJ Sindler was cheated on by AK with Bona Mateba when she was with Cairo. Afterwards, she wrote an open letter to Bona Mateba and later emailed Revlon to remove Bonang as their brand ambassador because she was not a good role model. DJ Sindler went on to snatch Moda bongs from his baby mama. However, now this Kimberly has just become her worst nightmare. Now back to the insults. This person is saying Moda is cheating on his wife with a pretty young thing. And by the way, apparently this young thing is a bottle girl at Coffee in Midrand. Anyway, this person is saying that just in case we are wondering why Moda is being unfaithful, we should consider these 4 things that he listed. First, being that men are polygamous by nature, they'll never be satisfied by one woman. No matter how many boobs they see, they'll always want to see more. Second, being DJ Sindler's age. Her being in her 40s while Moda is in his 30s. She's basically in menopause age. Women age like milk, men age like wine. And she's not that attractive anymore. 3, being DJ Sindler's status. She's a powerful figure in the music industry, meaning she has money. At no point does she need bongs to provide, making him feel less of a man, but this young chick needs him, which makes him feel like a man. 4, DJ Sindler's past. She's a single mother to the late AK's child, a mega superstar who even in death still overshadows bongs. He left Sindler, who's an alpha woman widowed, meaning AK still has a hold over her. And no man is ever truly happy playing second fiddle. Then he went on to say that the most important thing is that this should not lead to divorce because at her age, she has to know no high-value man is out there waiting for a 40-year-old single mom. She should fight for her man. As for the rest of us, we can learn or perish. All I'm hearing is that he's blaming cheating on women's age, basically on biology. Like, oh, if it wasn't for women aging, men wouldn't cheat. Or men cheat because of their ego, basically clothing weakness with logic. Which is nonsense really when you think about it, because men cheat because they lack discipline. And again, if your loyalty ends whenever you're faced with temptation, then you have always lacked discipline and morals from the beginning. Otherwise, let's continue this in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.